evolved from the same tetrapod ancestor, the same bone structure that's mapped into my body, you can also see on this elephant. So here, my hip bone, to me, this is the ball that goes into the hip bone on the ball and socket joint on this elephant. That's amazing. Look at the size of this. Look at that.
That's the femur.
So the femur.
The femur.
Okay.
Yeah, so quickly, mimi naitwa Chacha bwana, au vipi? Na leo tuko Tarangire na hapa nitapiga 4 kwa 1. 4 kwa 1, that means I'll be hitting 4 by 1 stone. So now we're having a very small one. Yes, you? An Impala ram. Also, we're having, yes, you? We need stallion zebra basing on the canine sockets. But also, guess who? Now we're speaking of the, sorry. Yeah, you remember this?
The sagittal crest on the top of this.
You
Yes.
remember what you said yesterday on your class?
That's right.
Temporalis.
Yes.
Temporalis, yeah. So probably this was, not a leopard, this may be a lion, probably. Tell me something. You're the biologist.
Oh. So, well, but you know the animals here better than anyone.
Yeah.
But you're absolutely right. So this shark fin on the top of the skull. So you see this only on animals with a really, really strong bite.
Sure.
So like the gorilla, a grizzly bear, the lion.
Very strong bite.
So this is that temporalis muscle that gives you the bite. This gives you extra room to attach that muscle onto.
Big muscle.
Yeah. So if it didn't have this, the muscle could only go to the center line, and then it would stop. But if you have this shark fin on top, then you can attach muscle up on that, You can have a bite that is as strong as you want. You just keep growing that sagittal crest.
You see that? So to me, according to my experience of whatever anatomy and physiology, this skull belongs to a lion. But it can be a female lion. But also, guess who this? This is the bull of a giraffe, Maasai giraffe. But also, we're having another one here, guys. Guess who? Who's this? The waterbuck. Only males, only bull waterbucks are carrying horns like this. So to me, according to my experience of anatomy in the bush in Serengeti, in Tarangire, this is the waterbuck. You can hold this, no problem. But also we're having the buffalo. You see the buffalo? You see? And then now we're having another one here. This, guess who?
Oh.
Guess who?
This is the new.
The new, the wildebeest. And guess who?
Could this be eland?
Yeah, you're very right. You know, guys, let me tell you something. Niko na biologist, mtu wa biology, mwalimu wa biology. Huyu ni daktari bwana. Ana uzoefu mkubwa sana. Amekuja Tanzania, akasema nataka kusafiri na Chacha kwa sababu nimeona Chacha anafanya vitu vikubwa sana katika mambo ya uhifadhi na mambo ya wildlife biology. Anaitwa bwana Jack ambaye yuko na familia yake. Huyu ni mtoto wake, binti mzuri sana. Anaitwa Caroline, lakini pia
Amelia.
Give me high five, Amelia. Yes, lakini yuko na mke wake mzuri sana anaitwa Sabela. Sasa haraka, this is now the gigantic, ginormous, humongous, very massive, super heavyweight, the living land mammal. And this is the African elephant. We call it Loxodonta africana, found only in Africa. So, probably this was a male, probably, because I can see the skull is very huge. Jack, say something on it.
What I've been told is that when skulls of this animal first came back to sort of were traveled up into Europe, people looked at this thing and they didn't understand at all what they're looking at. Come on over to this side here. This is kind of a funny story. Look at this. There's one big hole up here, and people thought, right, so here's a skull this must be the eye hole, right? And so we thought a giant with one eye in the middle of its head, right? And so there's this, Greek myths have the stories of the Cyclops, this giant with one eye in the middle of its head. And it's thought that that may have been inspired by looking at the skull of an African elephant, where it's where the trunk attaches into the skull. You've got so this is the nasal passage here, but people were looking at it and they thought like, this must be the eye socket.
And remember, the trunk of an elephant is the powerful muscular thing, the proboscis, right? Yeah. Kwa hiyo Watanzania nimecheka kutengeneza hii video clip ili kuhamasisha pia pamoja na mambo mengine utalii wa ndani na wa nje. Hao ni watalii wa nje wanalipa pesa nyingi sana kuja Tanzania. Kwa Tarangire wanalipa dola kama 50, lakini wa Tanzania ni shillings 10,000 tu. Ukichanganya na VAT inakuja labda 11,800 hivi. Unakuja kuenjoy, unakuja kufurahia vivutio vyetu wa Tanzania. Kwa hiyo mnasubiri nini? Tuje kutembelea hifadhi zetu kwa sababu sisi tumepewa bei nafuu sana. Unaona bwana? Guys, this is what we say. Tanzania unforgettable. Remember? This is what we say. Tanzania unforgettable. One more time. This is what we say, guys. Tanzania unforgettable. Asante sana. Naitwa Chacha, the CHA, the nature enthusiast, the wildlife interpreter, the Serengeti guide, the Tanzania guide, the Tarangire guide. One love, hakuna matata. Asante sana. Thank you so much.